Hello and welcome back to FORnSEC Solutions. Today we are here with another innovative tool to analyze network traffic. As you all know, analyzing network traffic is very complex process. So to help you with this complex process, we are here with tool Bryobio. Bryobio is a network Pcap file analysis tool which simplifies the complex process of network traffic analysis. This tool simplifies Pcap analysis by providing very simple user interface. In its user interface, there are filtering capabilities which allows you to narrow down your analysis to specific protocols, IP addresses or time intervals, making packet analysis more efficient. Bryobio goes beyond basic packet inspection with its sophisticated statistical analysis, and you can gain deep insights into network behavior, identify anomalies and detect potential security threats through it. So now let us dive into it and let us check out the Bryobio tool. This is the GitHub page for Bryobio, and here are the requirements which you will have to fulfill before using the Bryobio tool, and following are the installation instructions. So now let us continue towards the tool. As I have already installed the tool, I'll show you how to use it. So now let us continue with our tool. As you all can see, I am in my Bryobio folder. After installing the tool, I'll just run Python 3. Yes, as you guys can see, this is my tool. So this tool is asking me to select my pcap file. So let us continue with that. Continue by pressing 0. Yes, this tool is asking me for my location of my pcap file. So for this video purpose, I am already having a pcap file, which is here. I will show you. This is test.pcap file. I have already captured this pcap file and I will be using this file as an example in this video. Okay. This is my pcap file's location /home /kali /pcap. Yes. So now let us enter and go further. Yes, this tool will be showing you these further options about this about the pcap file. So what do you want to check about the pcap file? So now let us say if I want to check spider all IP lists. Okay, so I will be providing number 8, and here are all the IPs which were being held in that pcap file. Okay, similarly I can use another option. Let us say 4. So this packet is not having any kind of user agent list in it, so it is not providing me that. Let us see something else. Let us see some ports. Okay, so I'll be putting number 7 here. So these are all the ports which were used in this pcap file and captured. So this was our tool. This is a very important tool for network analysis, which network engineers and cybersecurity specialists use while capturing and while analyzing the pcap file. So this was it about today's video. I hope you guys liked our video. If you want to see more such interesting content, subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, stay secure.